Hey YouTube, this is NJ4Rider5, and this is just a quick update just to let you guys all know that I'm still filming. Being a little lazy on editing my videos. I probably got a good 15 to 20 videos or projects I've done since my last video. I'm going to be editing here pretty soon and dropping a bunch of videos on you guys. Bunch of neat projects. Figure I'd show you guys real quick what I got going on, and then you'll see the videos coming up. Just want to let you guys know that I'm still around, I guess. So if you guys have any questions, you know what, leave them in the comment section, and I'll get back to you guys pretty quick. I'm usually pretty fast at answering any questions you guys might have. But here's a couple of projects. I'm just gonna show them to you, maybe do a quick explanation, maybe not, I don't know. Let me see, I got this. I always wanted to do Bluetooth, tiny Bluetooth speakers. That's originally how I got into messing around with 18650s and all that good stuff, and somehow ended up way up in left field doing power walls and big old batteries and tab welders, and I kind of put the Bluetooth speakers on the back burner, even though I had all the parts and pieces ready to go. But the past few weeks I've been building like crazy. I got this one, and a lot of I've said this in the past. There's a guy named Odine on here on YouTube. This guy makes Bluetooth speakers out of Pelican cases, and this is actually it's actually his idea, using the same parts. I kind of did a little bit of messing around, but this thing sounds awesome. This was the first one I did. Well, the first I guess out of Dayton Audios. It sounds amazing. You guys will see in the video coming up. I got this Bluetooth speaker I built. This one is actually remote controlled, but later on I found remote control was kind of not necessary. This one is a I believe it's a Logitech Hi-Fi 2. Anyways, I got that from the Goodwill for like $5, and then I rebuilt it, added better batteries and made it Bluetooth. Got this one too, made out of Dayton Audios. This one's made out of the little, these are like 1-inch speakers, and I put 3 on each side with 2 passive radiators in there. This thing sounds great too. I mean, every Bluetooth speaker I've built so far sound pretty awesome.
Assis dans la merde, qui dit amour, dit les gosses, toujours et des divorces, qui dit proche, te dit deuil, car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls, qui dit crise, te dit monde.
I've got this video coming up, and that is a battery tab welder. Probably one of the easiest tab welders I've ever built. This thing works amazing. I've also got some tests of my lunchbox battery tab welder that I like to use a lot too. I built this 5S battery and, you know, some battery packs. What else do I got? Oh, I got this right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to get a close-up of it. Sorry for the shakiness. This right here is another 5, I believe it's a 8S 5P battery, and it's controlled by one of those 10 amp buck converters, and I made this to use on like a laptop, you know, or anything that I planned on, you know, being out and about. You could basically use this on almost anything. I mean, this thing is pretty bad. I mean, it works pretty good. I made it to where I could turn this on to check the battery. This to keep an eye on the power going out. Right now it's at 15 volts, and it goes up to 10 amps. It's pretty neat. Let's see, what else do I have? I got a lot. Oh yeah, part 2 of my what is it called, the power supplies. I told you guys in that one video that I planned on putting a power on off button, and I also put on some sort of protection, so when one power supply went off, they would both go off so that they wouldn't mess up, you know, whatever I have them connected to. And this was going to be ran at 24 volts. I believe it's going to be, it's actually like 25 volts, and because I can only run 120, these things are going to be running at about 1800 watts. Oh no, 24 volts would be running at 900 watts. I think that's basically it. I know I was looking back, I got like 15 videos. Got a lot of videos. And also I wanted to mention Power 2 Spare. This guy has done a major hookup on me. I got a bunch of the what do they call, the medical packs. This guy has got medical packs like crazy, and these things are dead on, man. I've gotten so many from this guy, and every single medical pack I've gotten from this guy, or, you know, battery, usually he sells them in like groups of like, I think it was 99. I can't really remember, it's been a while since I bought it. It was like a couple months ago. But I got batteries from this guy, and this guy, I tested every single battery he gave me, and I didn't have a single issue with one. Actually, some of them are actually testing higher than he had written down. So you guys jump on over there and probably get your hands on some of those. It takes the guesswork out of, you know, grabbing all these batteries and testing them and finding out which ones are good and which ones are bad. And he's got them situated in like groups of like 2900 to 33, all the way down to 1800 milliamps. But the link will be down in the description, so make sure you jump over there. That's some of the batteries that I got from him. I like to test every battery I get, regardless of where they come from, and every one of them's tested dead on the nut. So yeah, I've got a bunch of stuff coming up. I mean, it's just crazy. I've been actually busy. Like I said, I've just been lazy editing, you know, because I hate freaking editing. I like to film everything I do, but man, that editing just kills me. So I'll be editing a video today, and I'll be dropping that sometime in the next couple days, and then hopefully I can get caught up and start editing more and more videos. So like always, if you have any questions, or if you see anything I could do better, leave them in the description or leave them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will check you guys out in the next video. Sorry for the shakiness.